Welcome to my channel. My name is Teacher Walter, and in this video we are going to look at 21 best ways of controlling poultry diseases on your farm. Number 1. By following a regular vaccination routine at the recommended age and administering them correctly. Number 2. By passing introduced birds and a quarantine for 30 days in a far away house. When you bring new stock, you are not supposed to mix it with old stock. This one will prevent your birds from getting diseases from the new flock. Number 3. By adding feed additives in feeds and water to alleviate stress. Stress reduces the immunity of the bird. So when your birds are less immune, they are likely to get diseases. That is the reason as why we add feed additives in feeds and water to alleviate stress. Number 4. By keeping the right number of birds in a house to prevent overcrowding. Number 5. By ensuring hygiene in and around the poultry house. By placing birds of different age groups in separate houses. By ensuring adequate ventilation in the poultry house. Number 8. By making sure that the litter is always fresh and dry to control the breeding of disease-causing organisms. Number 9. By buying uncontaminated feed from a reliable source. Number 10. By providing a balanced ration to reduce nutrient deficiency diseases. Number 11. By providing clean drinking water to avoid spread of diseases like fall typhoid. Number 12. By raising drinkers and feeders off the ground to avoid contamination that would lead to diseases. Number 13. By dusting the birds and the house with recommended chemicals to control ectoparasites. Number 14. By carrying out regular deworming to avoid anemia. Number 15. By maintaining a foot bath with a disinfectant at the entrance of the poultry house. Number 16. By raking through the litter regularly to avoid damp condition that encourage disease-causing organisms. Number 17. By restricting range birds and wild birds from getting to the farm. Number 18, by making sure that the poultry house is vermin proof. Number 19, by isolating or culling the sick to avoid disease spreading. Number 20, by burying dead birds deep and far away from the poultry house or burning them. Lastly, number 21, by burning litter from houses where disease break out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.